Hello, this is Living with Grandpa John. Today I'm going to do a razor clam recipe. Now, when I did the cleaning of the razor clams, I had a couple people ask me to do a couple recipes. So this one's inspired by Washington Life. He did this recipe, and I'm going to do my version of it. So those are curious, go and look up his webpage or YouTube channel. All right, so I've already got my razor clams. They're already cut up into little bite-sized pieces, and we'll go from that. I got green onion. Okay, I have some green onion cut up, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of, actually quite a bit of garlic. So if you don't like garlic, this recipe is not for you. It's pretty simple. We're going to use lard and butter to start with. And this is some pork fat that I rendered down into pork lard. I'm more of a lard guy than I'm a tallow, but tallow would work just fine too. That, and we're going to put in some butter. Let that warm up. Give myself a little spoon to go and show you what I'm doing. Okay. Got it on about a medium heat, and we're going to start by doing our garlic. And you don't want to overcook your garlic, so you don't want to, just want a little bit of color to it. So keep an eye on it. As always, I ask if there's any recipes that you guys do with razor clams. I would gladly like to know if you guys put it down in the comments below. So, let that cook for a little bit. Now we're going to add the ginger. Get some flavor going on there. And sorry for the noise, but my fan is kind of noisy. I'm starting to get a little bit of color on the garlic. Maybe a little bit more. And you can see, you get a little bit of color. That's what you want. Yeah, all those bubbles, of course, is from the water and from the butter. Okay, now we're going to go with the... Now see, these are cut in some pretty good sized pieces. And you just dump them all right in there. Now you don't want to cook these very long. You cook them for a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes in that range there. They cook pretty quick. Comes the green onions, also pretty chunky. I'm putting in about a good teaspoon and a half of Better Than Bouillon. I know some people use chicken powder, and that's fine, but the guys I was talking to and listening to, they like this one better than the chicken powder. But it's relatively new. We really haven't been using Better Than Bouillon that long, only for a couple of years. It's becoming more popular. Get that stirred in. It cooks relatively quick. Just a couple minutes, you're done. It's about 50% done right now, so let it cook a little long, get some good heat into it. Now time for a little salt and pepper. Yeah. Okay. That's what it looks like when it's done.
Done?
So, yep. So now I'm going to move over to the bowl, and then the wifey's going to cook the rest of the dinner. All right. Yep. Thank you for stopping by, and we will talk to you later. Okay. Bye-bye.